How to tag people on Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now at the bottom you will find different icons. Tap on this plus icon. Open it. Now your gallery will open up. From here you can select any of the picture or video that you want to upload in your Instagram along tagging people. Here I'm gonna select this one pic. Tap on next. After you select the pic, from here you can easily add some filters or edit it. And after you are done with the editing, tap on next. Now from here you have to tag people. You can see the option of tag people. You have to open this option. Now just tap on the picture and at the top you can see that search bar. Just type in the name of the person whom you want to tag in this post. Here you can see that I just tagged this person to my Instagram post. Now tap on done. Now from here you can add a caption to this post. Likewise you can add location, music. Also share this post to different accounts in your Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. And after you are done, tap on share. This is how you can tag people on your Instagram post. This was very simple and quick process. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.